I'm still waiting on Freightliner to deliver those parts. It's been all day. They said maybe 1 or 2 o'clock. It's 3:30. So while I'm waiting, I wasn't going to, but I'm going to try to get this roller out of there. Normally I just put the brakes on over it because it's rusted in place. It's been there 20 years. I got a ball joint clamp on there and hit it with the impact, and it still wasn't moving, so I'm going to put some heat on it and see if that gets it. Well, that looks like that did it. Alright, I'll do that on the other one too. I just knocked this one bushing out with the air hammer, air chisel, with this tip. I don't know if I can get a view of the tip that I'm using here. There it is. It's kind of limited access and room to get to it, but it worked. I can use a torch and get it out. I'm more used to doing it that way. But I'll try it with this air chisel here again on the other one. Kind of made a mess of the hole a little bit. I had to stick a file in there and clean it up. See how much damage I did to this hole. Not a lot. Nothing serious. This is kind of soft metal though. Okay, opened up the hardware kit and I got these rollers and new bushings out. I don't know if I even got room to hammer them in from the outside with this hub here. I'll try. Doesn't take much to put them in because they got a little split on one side there. As long as I filed enough of that burr out of it, out of the hole. Might have mushroomed that just a little bit with the hammering.